ever wondered if these furniture transformation videos are made with AI? They're not. Every animation on this channel is created manually in Blender, from modeling and rigging to animation and rendering. Here's the actual Blender scene used for this project. You can see the complete setup, including the wall unit, table, benches, materials, lighting, and camera. The transformation itself is driven by an armature, skeleton. Each moving part is assigned to its own bone, allowing the table and benches to fold, rotate, and slide in a controlled way while maintaining accurate pivot points. The motion is carefully keyframed and refined by hand to keep every movement smooth and synchronized. Nothing here is generated from a text prompt. Every dimension, hinge, pivot, animation curve, material, and camera angle is intentionally designed and animated. Rendering is done in Blender's Cycles engine, which calculates realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows to produce the final result. These projects often take many hours, from developing the mechanism and testing the movement to refining materials, lighting, rendering, and editing. I enjoy sharing these behind-the-scenes glimpses because they show the craftsmanship behind each transformation and the amount of work that goes into creating every animation. If you'd like to see more behind-the-scenes videos or breakdowns of how these mechanisms work, let me know in the comments.